We'll guide you through how to make fade animation prototype in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on your keyboard. From a search results page, click Figma to access the design platform. After a few moments, the Figma main page will appear in your browser window. Before continuing, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. To make a fade animation prototype in Figma, locate your recent projects and click the project you want to edit. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open on the screen. Next, locate the text layer that you want to animate and click on it. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the text layer. Then press Ctrl+Alt+V to paste a duplicate version. This will give you two text layers that can be used to create the fade animation effect. After duplicating the text, select the first text layer and click Actions from the toolbar. From a menu that appears, choose Plugins and Widgets, then type Animated into the search field. Select the animated plugin from the results and click Run to open it. When the plugin window appears, choose the Fade and Animation option and click Create Animation Set. After the animation set is generated, select the first text layer and press Shift+A to place it inside a frame. Next, repeat the same process with the second text layer. Open the animated plugin again, but this time choose the Fade Out animation option before creating the animation set. Once both animation sets have been created and placed into frames, select Frame 1 and Frame 2. Switch to the Prototype tab and locate the interaction settings. Change the trigger option to After Delay. In the Action section, choose Navigate to and set the destination to Frame 2. Under the animation settings, select Smart Animate to ensure a smooth transition between frames. Finally, click the Preview button to test the prototype.